everybody, it's Mark the Lost Traveler, and it's train time. Well, I'm just south of Washington, D.C. at the Alexandria Amtrak Station, also the VRE, the Virginia Rail Express, and that's the commuter train through here, but we're not going to look at express trains today. We're going to look at Amtrak trains. There should be a few through here. They come up north, south, east, and west, so a lot of them come through here, and just about a mile down the track is where they spur off to head south or come up north and spur off to go west or come up from the east side. So it's 10 o'clock in the morning, a few clouds, sunny, breezy, around 60 degrees. Should be a nice day. It's been in the 30s the last few weeks, so we'll take it. We'll probably stay here till maybe about 2 or 3 o'clock, so maybe see about 6 or 7 Amtrak. So here we go. I guess that'll do it for the last Amtrak of the day for us. Not too bad. We were here 3.5 hours. Started at 10. It's 1:30 now. Saw 6 trains, so pretty good. I think it was 2 southbounds and 4 northbounds. But man, look at this weather, man. Eeh. I don't know why I did that, but man, it's nice out here. You know, short sleeve shirts, we'll take it. I guess spring's not too far away. And on that note, travelers saying, see you by the rails.